Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, this is Kashif Mahmood, your English instructor. Today, we are about to finish Unit 2 and this is the last B lift, that is B lift number 17. So, let's move and look what is the B lift number 17. Write multiple paragraphs, essay stories, multi-stanza poems or play script using correct punctuation and spelling, grammar, grade level vocabulary and transitional devices, following rules of subject verb agreement, sentence structure, and types by using the writing process approach, pre writing, editing, and final draft stages. So, B lift number 7 is about process approach of writing, and these are the step of process approach of writing. Through this, we can write all these genres of writing. So, I hope, dear students, you have done your bridging with the help of your teacher and in the company of your fellows. Now, let's move. Dear students, we have reached at the focus. This is our focus and the crux of the B lift number 17. Look at this. Process approach of writing. Yes, this is the approach of writing for organized writing. Writing step by step from idea to masterpiece. Yes, whenever you try to write step by step, this is called process approach of writing. This approach is called step by step writing. So, writing is not done in one go. Yes, you should keep in mind, you should not try to write something in just one go, but step by step. It is completed in clear stages. Yes, each stage makes your writing better, and anyone can write well with practice of process approach of writing. And the steps of the process approach of writing are: first one is pre-writing, number 2 is drafting, number 3 is revising and editing, and number 4 is final draft. These are the 4 stages of writing process approach. Yes. Now we are going to discuss in detail the first stage, that is called pre-writing. Pre-writing means before you write, collect and explore ideas. This is called pre-writing, and these are the 3 things we can use for pre-writing process. First of all, brainstorming, then mind mapping or free writing. These 3 steps can be used for pre-writing activity. Think freely about your topic. Yes, first you have to decide your topic and think it freely. Write all your ideas down. No idea is wrong here. Yes, when you are doing brainstorming, and then you can create a mind map on the base of your selected idea. Draw a diagram on paper. Main idea goes in the center and add related ideas around it. We have already discussed so many times about the mind mapping. And then free writing. Write without stopping. Yes, do not worry about the grammar or any mistake. Let your ideas flow freely. This is called free writing. So, by using these 3 steps, you can complete the pre-writing stage. Now, we have reached at the stage number 2 and 3, that is structuring and drafting. What is structure and what is drafting? If you look at this structuring, first of all, introduction. Start your introduction with an attentive and with an attractive statement, that is called hook, and then you can create the body, and body means details. You have to put the details with explanation and examples and facts, and then comes conclusion, wrap up and give your final thought. This is called what? Structuring. In this way you can structure your paragraph or your writing. And then we have reached at the next stage, that is drafting. Write your first draft as a rough draft version of your full piece. Yes, that is not the final one. Focus on ideas. Do not worry about mistakes yet. In drafting, now use simple, clear sentences to express your thoughts. Yes, and then follow the structure: introduction, body, and conclusion. When you put all these things, it will be called as drafting. Yes, purpose. What is the purpose of these 2 stages? To organize your ideas clearly and give shape to your writing for the first time. Now, reached at the stage number 3 and 4. revising, editing, and final draft. Yes, revising. Improve the quality of your ideas. This is called revising. This is the purpose of revising. Read your draft carefully. Read your draft carefully. Add any missing information. Yes, then remove weak or repeated ideas. Then make sentences clear and stronger. After doing revising, you can edit. Fix all language mistakes. Yes, now it is the stage where you can fix and correct all the mistakes related your correct grammar and spelling mistakes, check punctuation and remove the errors, fix sentence structure. If there are any mistake in the sentence structure, you can remove and make a good structure. Make sure tenses are consistent. Next, the final draft. This is the best created thing, your best polished copy. Write or type your clean version, present it neatly and clearly. This is your best work. Submit with confidence. Yes, this is the final stage. Great writers are not born, they are made through the writing process. So, dear learners, I hope you have learned this concept very clearly, and I also hope you have done your formative check with the help of your teacher, and also you have done your classwork and homework as well. So, in the end, I would like to say thank you so much. I hope you have understood the whole unit clearly. So, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.